Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Bank of America OAuth for authenticated finance UI widgets, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Bank of America OAuth, begin by registering your application with the Bank of America Developer Portal. Visit the Bank of America Developer Portal and create a developer account if you don't have one already. Once registered, log into the portal and navigate to the API section. Select the appropriate API for authentication. Fill out the required application details, including redirect URI and application type. After submission, you will receive a client ID and client secret. Store these credentials securely, as they will be needed for OAuth authentication. Next, choose the authorization flow you want to implement, typically the authorization code flow for web applications. When a user attempts to access your finance UI widgets, redirect them to the Bank of America authorization endpoint. Include your client ID, redirect URI, response type, and requested scopes in this redirect URL. Once the user authorizes your application, they will be redirected back to your specified redirect URI with an authorization code. Capture this authorization code from the redirect URI. Now, exchange this authorization code for an access token by making a POST request to the token endpoint. Include your client ID, client secret, authorization code, redirect URI, and grant type in the request body. If successful, you will receive an access token, which allows you to access protected resources. Store this access token securely for subsequent requests. For any API call to Bank of America, include this access token in the authorization header as a bearer token. Handle token expiration by refreshing the token if required. To refresh the token, use the refresh token obtained during the initial token exchange. Make sure to implement error handling for any API requests to manage unauthorized access or other issues. Test your implementation thoroughly to ensure smooth user experience and secure authentication. With the authentication set up correctly, you can now access Bank of America's authenticated finance UI widgets. Review and follow best practices for handling sensitive information in your application's code. Keep your application updated with any changes in the Bank of America API or OAuth specifications. This completes the guide on authenticating with Bank of America OAuth for your finance UI widgets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.